Hello and welcome to Harry, the Mover Relocation Guide. Moving to a new home is an exciting chapter, but it can also be a financial and emotional challenge. At Harry the Mover, we're here to make your relocation smooth, affordable, and stress-free. In this guide, we'll share smart ways to save money on your move while ensuring a seamless experience. Let's get started. Timing is everything when it comes to saving on moving costs. Just like flights and hotels, moving services have peak and off-peak seasons. Peak times, like summer and the end of financial quarters, see higher demand and prices. But here's the good news. You can save big by planning your move during off-peak seasons like late autumn, winter, or early spring. During these quieter times, companies like Harry the Mover offer competitive rates without compromising on quality. So plan ahead and make the most of these savings. Now, let's talk about some practical tips to cut your moving costs. First, be flexible with your moving dates. Mid-week and mid-month moves are often cheaper than weekends or month ends. Second, declutter your home. The less you move, the less you pay. Donate, sell, or recycle items you no longer need. Third, consider professional packing services. While it might seem like an extra cost, it saves time, reduces stress, and ensures your belongings are safe. Finally, always compare quotes. At Harry the Mover, we offer free, no-obligation quotes with flexible pricing plans. Make sure to compare services to get the best value for your money. Let's explore why moving during the off-peak season is a smart choice. You'll have greater flexibility to choose your preferred dates and times. Companies can offer more personalized services tailored to your needs. Roads in residential areas are less crowded, making your move smoother. And Melbourne's winter weather is often more predictable than summer heat or spring showers. At Harry the Mover, we make off-peak moving a breeze with our experienced team and customer-focused approach. At Harry the Mover, we're dedicated to providing reliable and affordable moving services across Melbourne. Whether it's a home office or a family home, our experienced team ensures a safe and efficient relocation. Don't let high moving costs hold you back. With proper planning and our seasonal discounts, your move can be both economical and stress-free. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation quote, and let us make your relocation a happy and value-driven success. Thank you for watching Harry the Mover Relocation Guide. We hope these tips help you save money and make your move a smooth experience. Never forget to subscribe to our channel and visit Harry the Mover's website for interstate and local house and office moving services in Australia. See you next time.